This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, level, skill points, and any weapon or mod that boosts electrical damage. Once done, top off your energy or mana so you have a full cast bar. Partial bars reduce effectiveness. Now open the ability menu and bind Lightning Bolt to a convenient hotkey. This lets you react quickly. Make sure the mod slots are active and that any required passive bonuses are enabled, because these immediately change damage scaling and cast time. You want to control distance and timing. Position so Lightning Bolt hits grouped foes or isolate a priority target. If the ability has a charge mechanic, hold the cast to increase damage. You sacrifice mobility for a stronger hit. Use short strafes or dash moves between casts to avoid retaliation and to reset enemy targeting. Also chain with a crowd control ability, stun or slow, so your bolt lands uninterrupted. This sequence improves damage consistency and reduces wasted casts. You complete the combo by immediately following Lightning Bolt with an area effect or single target finisher to capitalize on softened enemies. Once cast, monitor cooldowns and your energy regen to schedule the next burst. Efficient pacing prevents downtime. If the bolt misfires or clips, first rebind the key and test in a safe area. Make sure no conflicting macros or latency issues exist, because input conflicts often look like ability failures, but are actually control or network problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.